Hey guys, it's Crazy Comic Lady and I'm back with my stash countdown video series. So when I first got into diamond painting, I went a little bit overboard buying kits. So my stash count is currently 72. I have actually run out of storage space for all my kits. So the goal of this video series is to try and work through my stash and keep myself accountable for how many new kits I'm buying. So the idea is if I complete 10 kits, I can buy 3 more, with a few exceptions. So the exception is if anything from Puffy Gator comes up that's for sale, I have to have all of Puffy Gator's artwork because I love her, any adorable cute foxes, or any discontinued kits. Those are the few loopholes for my stash countdown. So since my last check-in, I have completed 1 kit, but I have also bought 1 kit. So my stash remains the same at 72, and I'm going to show you what it is that I bought. So, ta-da! This was the kit that I got. It's called Brotherhood, and it's by the artist JoJo's Art. And this kit was actually discontinued without any warning from Diamond Art Club. And annoyingly, I really needed it for a Lion King series that I'm planning to put together, retelling the story of Disney's Lion King through only diamond paintings. So I really needed to get a hold of this kit because it had been discontinued, and a lovely lady in the USA actually reached out to me and said, I've got this kit, do you want it? I'm happy to sell it to you. So that was my one exception for my my complete 10 by 3 rule. So it was a bit pricey because of the shipping. So the shipping was £45, so the total cost for this one kit came to £96. It was a bit painful to spend so much on one kit, but it was needed for the video series that I'm planning. So, keeping myself accountable, this is what I've got. My stash remains the same at 72. The last kit that I did, you guys actually voted for, and it was this one, the beautiful Katara, Lady of the Lake by Sarah Mustafa, sold by Diamond Art Club. This kit is still available, but it's currently out of stock on the website, and I loved it. I'm so glad you guys voted for this kit. I was really happy with how it turned out. I mean, the sparkle on it is extreme. It's really beautiful, but I'll do a more in-depth talk about this kit in more depth when we get to my monthly review video. But one of the goals that I set myself with this kit was, which can I complete first? Avatar: The Last Airbender or the kit? So the answer to that question was I actually completed all of Avatar: The Last Airbender, and I got on to season 2 of Korra, episode 11, when I finally finished the kit. So it took 33 hours to complete it. It's beautiful. I'm so glad that you guys voted for this one because it makes me so happy because it's so sparkly. So anyway, now we get to vote again, and you guys can tell me which kit you'd like to see me work on next. So we are going to spin the dial, the Diamond Painter dial spinning. Anyway, it's hot. Hence words are not working. Anyway, we're going to spin the wheel, see what category we get to choose from. I'm going to pick out a few kits from that category, and then you guys can tell me which kit you like the most. So let's spin the wheel. Okay, so we got the category Big Cats. So I pulled out 3 potential diamond paintings. I got 3 tiger paintings out to show you. So tell me which kit you like the most. So option 1 is Her Journey by the artist Megan Walsh. This is a square diamond painting kit in 70 centimetres by 50 centimetres. It's quite pink. So that's option 1. Option 2 is Tiger Stare by the artist Jim Zuckerman. It is a 50 centimetre by 63 centimetre kit in round diamonds, very blue. And our third option is Tiger on a Rock by the artist Dakota Duttweiler, and this is a 55 centimetre by 55 centimetre round kit, and it's very green. So these are the 3 options. Which artwork speaks to you guys the most? Which one should I do next? So again, option 1, Her Journey, very pink, square kit. Option 2, Tiger Stare, very blue. Or option 3, Tiger on a Rock, which is very green. So please leave a comment below and tell me which of these paintings speaks to you the most? Which one would you like to see me do? And the winner will be announced in my next month in review video. So option 1 pink, option 2 blue, option 3 green. So thank you so much, guys. This is a really fun video series, and I loved that so many of you voted on the last one for Beautiful Lady of the Lake, Katara, because that was a brilliant choice. I'm really looking forward to seeing which painting you guys choose for me to do for next month. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment in the video. Please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys all soon. Okay, bye.